In this quick guide, I will show you how to adjust the sound settings in 4th generation Kia Sportage. Whether you're looking to fine-tune your audio experience or just need to make some quick adjustments, this video will cover it all. So let's dive right in. First, ensure your vehicle is turned on and the infotainment system is active. You will be greeted with the home screen, which is your gateway to all the settings and features. Next, locate and tap the setup icon on the home screen. This will open up a menu with various options. Look for and select sound from the list. This is where you will find all the audio related settings. The first option is called position. This setting allows you to adjust the focus of the audio to different areas of the vehicle. The position setting lets you shift the sound balance to specific sitting areas such as the driver's seat, the front seats, or the rear seats. This is particularly useful if you often drive alone or want to ensure passengers in the back have a better audio experience. To adjust the position setting, simply drag the focus point on the screen to your desired location. You can move it to the left, right, front, or rear, or keep it centered for an even distribution of sound throughout the vehicle. To fine-tune your audio experience, tap the Equalizer option on the left menu. Here you can adjust the bass, mid-range, and treble levels to your preference. Slide the bars right or left to increase or decrease the sound levels. Let's start with bass. Bass refers to low-frequency sounds in your audio, such as the deep notes in music or rumble of a drum. Increasing the bass will make these low sounds more prominent and powerful. Decreasing it will make the sound lighter and less boomy. Next, we have mid or mid-range. This controls the middle frequencies, which include most vocals and instruments like guitars and pianos. Adjusting the mid allows you to enhance or soften these sounds. Increasing the mid can make these vocals clearer, while decreasing it can give more space to high and low frequencies. Lastly, there is treble. Treble handles the high frequency sounds such as the cymbals in music or the sharpness in a voice. Turning up the treble will make these sounds crisper and brighter. Lowering it will reduce any harshness, making the sound warmer. Each of these settings allows you to customize the audio to your preference, whether you like a bass-heavy sound, clear vocals, or bright high notes. It's all about finding the right balance for your ears. Now let's explore the priority audio setting. There are two options in this setting: backup warning priority and startup volume limit. Let's begin with the backup warning priority. This setting is designed to enhance safety while you're reversing your vehicle. When this feature is enabled, the volume of your audio system will automatically lower when the reverse gear is selected. This allows you to clearly hear the backup warning chimes and any other important sounds from your surroundings, helping you avoid potential obstacles. The startup volume limit controls the maximum audio volume level when you start your vehicle. When you enable this option, the audio volume will automatically lower to the factory set default level. This is especially useful if you tend to listen to music at high volumes but want to avoid being startled by loud audio the next time you start your car. Now let's look at the default option. Sometimes after making various adjustments, you might want to start fresh with the original factory settings. Here you can easily reset your sound settings. Tap on the default button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to reset the settings. Confirm your selection to proceed. Once confirmed, all sound settings including bass, mid, treble, and any other adjustment you have made will be reset to the factory defaults. And that's it. Adjusting the sound settings in your Kia Sportage is straightforward and can be customized to suit your personal preferences. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing to Wheels Joint for more automotive tips.